Hi, boys and girls. Okay, today I am going to give you information about how to make a diagram of your animal. So you need to look in your animal packet, and this is the picture we will use for our diagram. And when you make your diagram, the animal needs to be pretty big here in the center, and then you need to save room to diagram out the different body parts around it. So I have attached two examples in the Google Classroom for you to look at to see what I mean about labeling. I don't think we have labeled since the beginning of the year with, I believe, butterflies or bees. So you are going to be using a pencil to draw a picture of your animal. You can also use colored pencil if you want to add color detail, but those are the only two things I want you to use. Then I want you to use a regular pencil to label it, and you will make lines. And again, there's an example of this. You will make lines going out and labeling the different body parts. Now, it's going to depend on your animal how much you have to label, and it's going to depend on you how specific you want to get, because you could get pretty specific, or you don't have to get specific since we're doing this kind of differently this year. But you're going to include things like their feet, their eyes, their ears, maybe their teeth, and you want their mouth open if they have something very interesting, have some very interesting teeth, their tail, if they have a beak, if they have something special on their body, a special fin or something like that, you want to include that. So think through what you want to include on your diagram. And again, look at the examples that I've put on Google Classroom to kind of give you an idea. I do want the different body parts labeled. And then down at the bottom, you are going to do a telling sentence about your diagram. And it can be very simple. It can just be, this is a diagram of my, and then you name your animal. So you have a telling sentence, then you look at your diagram, and you can look at, so if I or anyone else was looking at it, we could see how you labeled the different body parts of your animal and then wrote what those were. Okay, this is exciting, boys and girls. I hope you enjoy that, and I can't wait to see your diagrams.